back in front of the WELE machines again, and I got my buddy Jim. Yes, I did sucker him again, although he did an incredible job when we were in Taiwan. What I know about WELE going through the factory has changed my perspective drastically. If you've not seen that video, highly recommended to go see it. Today, we're talking 5-axis machining, but the vibration dampening in the castings, the rigidity, the fact that this company is employee owned, the fact they do hand scraping. I mean, there's so many details into the intricacies of WELE, and one of my favorite points that I will continue to say over and over again is the people who own the company were handpicked by the government to make sure that there was going to be complete and total success. I mean, absolutely mind-blowing, that video and the ability to go through that factory. Jim, I hope I've set you up for success here, right?
So you did, man. I mean, that video set me up for success for sure. I really thought that you did a great job on that. I did want to tell you that. But yeah, I mean, like everything you said, you know, there's a lot of pride at WELE, and especially because it's employee owned, and you know, all of the production and all of the process that they do to build the machines, every step of the way, people take pride in that, all the way up from top down of the build team. So yeah,
completely agree. And a brand new building, my friend. The expansion is phenomenal. Awesome. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful, yeah.
But today, we're talking 5-axis machining, aren't we?
That's right, man. So here, yeah, at PMTS, we brought our UG630. You can see it here. We're cutting a demo on here for a vacuum chamber for the semiconductor industry. Right now, you can actually see it. It's doing contour mode, contour cutting for like O-ring grooves, where you can actually position the spindle to a specific degree so you can cut out, it's etching out that WELE symbol there. This machine is fully loaded from the factory. We bring it in our standard package, 60 tool magazine. It has linear scales on all the axes, rotary scales on all the rotaries. It comes with a BLUM tool setter, comes with a BLUM probe, and calibration kit. So one thing that's you know, powered by this Heidenhain TNC 640 control is the one-step function for calibrating the machine. I'm in run mode right now. You can set up the 3D sphere where if you have an issue where you bump the machine or you need to reset the pivot point, you can set up a calibration sphere, one-touch probe setting, and you can come in there and readjust the pivot point and offset so you're ready to run again. So yeah, this control is solid state drive, so you can throw anything at it. It's going to pump out the code, fast processing. That's why we decided to go with the Heidenhain. So that's something that we really wanted to showcase.
I honestly think you've covered everything already. I don't even know if I can add anything to this conversation.
Threw a lot at you.
Yeah, but that's exactly what we need to hear when we talk about the machine, the capability. We hear 5-axis. We need to get a part of 5-axis. We're evolving. We need to get into automation.
That's right.
And I didn't bring my bell with me, and my whistles are really, really poor with my dry throat and all this talking. But this has all the bells and whistles that you need coming standard to people, right?
Yes, the standard package on this. I mean, everything's moving in that direction. Everybody wants to get into 5-axis, and it makes sense. If you look at it in the long run, your setup time, you reduce cost in setup time, reduce cost in fixturing and having to refixture parts. If you have it all set up with a 5-axis machine at a good price point, which this one is at a great price point for everything that it comes with, you know, it's really a step in the right direction for a lot of places.
It's a very cliche statement of the no-brainer, isn't it? It's almost the definition of no-brainer.
For sure.
It just makes sense, right?
Yeah.
This part that's being made right now, I know you've gone on the details and the capabilities of the machine itself. What part are you guys demoing here?
So this is a vacuum chamber for the semiconductor industry.
So do you think if I was to take this with me, I could sell it?
Well, you might have trouble with that. I'm sure you might be able to sell it.
This is a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be, actually.
Yeah, I mean, this is just one small portion of the semicon industry as far as the big systems that they use to either manufacture chips, clean chips, inspect chips. This is just one small portion of that, but we're seeing a lot more semicon coming back to the US. You know, hopefully that's going to continue to grow for us. It looks like we may have that case in the US. So yeah, we're seeing more and more projects come up that need 5-axis capability. for semicon, for aerospace, defense, things like that. So this is a good fit for those.
I know Silicon Valley is twisting all their fingers up at this point by that semicon, right?
That's
They're
right.
ready for it to get excited again. All right, everyone, I hope this has been beneficial for you. I have had the opportunity to head over to Taiwan. I've spent time with Jim before. A lot of this information, always excited about, but quite familiar as well. This is something, if you don't know about it, probably worth your time. Give Jim a call, give JTEKT a call. Do the investment on your own. See if what we're telling you is the truth, because for me, from my perspective, absolutely is. I mean, this is brilliant technology.
Yeah, I mean, we're in Arlington Heights, Illinois. We're going to be demoing this machine. We're going to be setting up more demos. We're going to have this machine set up if you want to come take a look at it, see our other capabilities. We have other 5-axis vertical machines, bridge mills, big VTCs. We got it all. So if you want to come see the machines in firsthand, you're not here at the show, come to our facility in Arlington Heights, Illinois.
Absolutely perfect, my friend. It's almost like you've done this before.
Yeah, a couple times now. Getting a little better at it. Thank you.